What do you think of this?
Yes, it's beautiful, Mom.
Okay, let's take this one.
Dad, have you and Joey come home? That's right, Rumi.
Yes, and I find what you two are watching very interesting.
We need fruit.
And car medicine.
For me.
Yes, for you.
Cars make me sick.
You say that every time.
Because it is true.
Let us go now.
The air is so fresh today, Mom, isn't it?
Yes, everyone has gone to America to watch the soccer game, son. That's right. Thinking about tomorrow.
A little.
I want the window seat. You always want it.
Because it helps my stomach.
Then, we buy the medicine.
Dad, apples.
Let us see.
Good morning. Good morning. You guys should buy some apples. They're delicious.
Big apples.
Sweet apples.
They look good.
I picked them early. Add one more. Are you here every day? Every morning.
This one is very big.
That one is good. This creation looks really stunning, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, Grandma.
You are kind.
Bye, Grandma.
Have a good day. I'm home now.
I will make apples.
I will arrange the bread.
I will double-check the location. We still need car medicine.
My medicine.
I can go with you. Good. We will be fast. Hello?
Hello, how can I help you? There are many kinds of medicine here.
Can I buy it today? I need this heart medication.
You need $5 more.
$5.
Yes, I am sorry.
I sold all my apples.
I'm very sorry.
It is for my heart.
Mom, I feel so sorry for the old woman.
I did not bring enough. My child is gone too.
It is okay.
Please come back soon.
I will.
Grandma, are you okay?
Yes, dear. I feel sorry for that old woman.
Yes, I think so too, but I don't have any money left. Rumi's back, huh?
You are not talking.
I am okay.
What's wrong with the little girl?
He met the old woman selling medicine and said he didn't have money to buy it.
Ah, so that's how it is.
Grandma has no kids.
No, honey.
That is lonely.
Here it is. The shirt that I cherish very much.
It is for my heart.
Rumi, you love that shirt. I do. Messi is special. Grandma is special too.
I do not want to lose it.
Mom,
Rumi, what is that?
my Messi jersey.
Why?
I want to sell it.
No, not Messi.
Grandma needs medicine.
That shirt means a lot.
I know. You thought about this.
She is alone.
We help together.
I want to give something. Then we go with you.
I want to sell it.
This is real.
This is real. Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
This is the money from selling the shirts.
Don't be sad, my daughter.
That's good because you helped someone.
I need to buy heart medication.
The medicine that the old woman selling apples bought yesterday.
Here it is.
I will pay in full.
Mm-hmm.
Please calculate the bill for her.
Add a little more, please. Prince prars, please.
For Grandma Laura.
I will pack it now.
It helps her heart.
Yes, little one. Here is your medicine.
Good morning.
This is for you.
Oh my God. It is your medicine.
Please take it.
No, I cannot.
Please.
I cannot pay.
You do not need to.
Why?
You needed help. You can smile.
You are not alone.
I have no children.
You have friends now.
We can visit.
And buy apples.
Many apples. Wait a moment.
Grandma, no need.
Please keep your apples. For your trip.
No, Grandma. Please keep them.
My heart feels better. These are the sweetest apples I have.
Thank you, Grandma.
Thank you, my girl.
Lucky apples!
Yes. Very lucky.
Hi everyone, I'm Tom, the owner of this YouTube channel. On the channel, we share English listening lesson with animation story. Our team writes script, create animation, and edit video to make learning English more easy and fun. Our goal is to help you improve your English listening skill step by step with easy to understand and reliable content. So, we hope our videos will be helpful to you. Don't forget to subscribe our channel so you don't miss next video and lesson. Thank you.